Hi everyone, in the video today I'm going to be going over the importance of file management when it comes to creating an Adobe Premiere Pro project. So when I say file management, that can sometimes make you think that it's not too important and it's something that often gets put to one side, but when that happens, often a lot of students experience issues down the line when it comes to finding media, videos, images, and music. So basically the importance of file management is to be super organized when you are creating a project. A lot of the projects that we create you're going to be working on for a number of weeks, and sometimes you can amass hundreds of different media files when you're creating different projects. So the different media files that you're going to be using are of course the top three are audio, music, images, and different video media. So basically this is I'm just going to show you a project that I'm working on. So I am working on this project here. This is my file for a video essay that I'm making on Edgar Wright. So if we just click into my file here, I've sorted out all my different media into 4 different files, but everything is in this one place. There's nothing else anywhere else on my computer, and everything I know is in this one file that I've got on my desktop. So a lot of the time you'll have a media studies folder on your computer, so you could put it in there and then call it whatever project you want, or anything on your computer. But I always keep what I'm working on my desktop, and I try and break it down into 4 different files. So my first file I've got is my Premiere Pro autosave and save files. So this is really important just in case, which happens so many times, if your Premiere Pro crashes and then you lose your project, you can come into here and then Premiere Pro does consistently autosave your work. So I have all my save files here. And then I split my other 3 files into the different media types that I just went over. So I've got my audio music clips, my images, and my video clips. So my audio music, I've got my voiceovers that I've recorded, and also my music that I'm going to put over my voiceover and over the video essay. Then images, these are all the images that I've collated to use in my video essay. So as you can see, and I've used pretty much, I would say, 90% of these. So you do some projects you can amass a lot of media files, and the same for my video clips. So I've got a lot of different video clips in here that I'm going to use for examples and things like that. But if we look at my project just down here, you can see that it's getting quite the timeline is getting quite crowded, but that's because I need to use lots of different images, videos, and things like that to create what I want to create. The biggest thing that having good solid file management and organization down the line is that it helps if you get a big red, when this image here turns red and it just says media offline. I'm going to do another video about that very soon and do a separate video on how to fix it. But the most common issue is when you get the media offline window, it means that Premiere can't find your files. So Premiere Pro, it's very organized and it likes to know where it's drawing all the files from that you're using in it. If you move the files to another part of your computer, sometimes it doesn't know where to find them. So that's when you can't use them in your project. And that's usually when the stress levels rise and we need to try and search for where them files are on the computer. So I'll get into that more later on, but common mistakes that I've noticed students making are that they usually keep all their files that they're using in their project in their downloads folder. This makes it really difficult the longer you go to keep organized, because you download so much things for school and for just at home and things like that. The downloads folder gets very cluttered and very full very fast. So I would recommend that for any projects you're doing, create its own folder on your computer Don't create a folder on the cloud. I've noticed that using the cloud-based like OneDrive and things like that, Premiere can't access it from there. So it has to be a file on your physical computer, and I would recommend splitting your files into save files, audio file, image file, and a video file. And it will make your whole project so much easier and so much easier to manage and find clips that you need. And if there is any issues, like you lose a clip and you get your media offline, we'll be able to fix it really quick. Okay, so yeah, that's my video on why it's important to have good file management.